Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As a CEO of Utech, I am offering you that all our courses which we are going to conduct free webinars in the month of May 2024. The students who will join these courses will get two more sessions for the same course. Yani he will get 3 times the same course free of cost in the fee of one course. So if he will join one time, he can do the same course second time and 3 times free of cost. So this is a big opportunity. I think there is no institute in the whole world who is announcing this type of facilities for their students. We really want that our students can grow and can learn from all of our courses. So please keep in touch and join our free webinars. Thank you.